If you take a blood thinner and are considering dental implants, never stop the medication on your own. Anticoagulants and antiplatelet medicines may be prescribed to reduce the risk of stroke, blood clots, or cardiovascular complications. Changing them without appropriate instructions can create a serious medical risk. Your dentist needs the exact medication name, dose, schedule, reason it was prescribed, and details of any additional medicines or medical conditions. Relevant examples include Warfarin, direct oral anticoagulants, and antiplatelet medicines, but their management is not identical. The plan depends on the bleeding risk of the proposed procedure. Placing one implant may not involve the same considerations as multiple extractions, extensive grafting, or full arch surgery. Kidney or liver function and combinations of medicines can also affect decision-making. Some patients can receive dental treatment without interrupting medication. Other situations require a carefully timed adjustment or direct consultation with the prescribing clinician. Only the responsible healthcare professionals should make that decision. The dental team may also use local measures such as careful surgical technique, sutures, pressure, and appropriate hemostatic materials to control bleeding. After treatment, follow the written instructions and contact the team if bleeding cannot be controlled with the recommended measures. Safe implant treatment requires balancing dental bleeding risk against the medical risk of altering medication. For an individual assessment, send your dental X-ray and complete medication list to Renova Clinic in Istanbul. Medication instructions must come from the treating dental and medical professionals.